Okay, so now we're at the stove, ready for our next step. And my dog just ran out of the shot. In our family, having a noodle dish like this is kind of like having waffles. I don't know if you've done that in your house, but for us, it's one, and then that person eats, and then you make another. So I'm sort of a short order cook. We have 4 people in our family, but I'm only going to do one Pad Thai at a time. So I'll show you how I cook one. All right. Into my wok, I'm first going to add the rendered pork fat, or what we call lard. If you don't like that, you could probably use something like coconut oil. Wouldn't be quite the same, but you know. Get this going. I'm happy I have a very strong hot oven or hot stove. It's great. We eat lots of Asian. As this melts, I'm first going to crack in my egg right now. So I'm starting to see some smoke coming, which tells me that my wok is getting pretty good and hot. Crack in my egg. So our egg is going, and while that's in, I'm going to add in our first things, which is the radish. I'm going to put in about that much. I'm going to put in some of my dried shrimp, and I'm going to put in my tofu. Now notice I'm totally ignoring my egg, and that's how I want it right now. I'm just going to start to move these things around, the radish, the tofu, the shrimp. And what I'm really waiting for is I'm waiting for the egg to get really crispy around the edges. And if you can see, it's starting to get pretty brown right there. I'm going to give it a good scoop, flip, and break it into a couple pieces. Now I'm going to add my noodles. This is going to be exciting. Along with my bean sprouts. There we go. I'm going to stir these around. Scooping, and flipping. And I'm breaking up the egg a little bit. I'm going to add a little bit more of that oil back. Keep everything from sticking. Sit for a quick sec. I'm going to add in my shrimp. They're really beautiful, fresh shrimp. Keep those going. As well as some pork. Now on the side, I've already mixed together the tamarind water, the palm sugar water, and the fish sauce. So I already have that mixed up, and I'm going to ladle that into the wok. Give it a little stir here. I'd like to start with just a little to start with. You can always add more, but you can't take it away. Oh, I'm so sorry you can't smell this. All right. It's just that tartness from the tamarind, and the sweetness from the palm sugar, and the meatiness of the shrimp and the pork. Keep that heat blasting. And I'm going to add first bit of peanuts to start cooking with the noodle. A little bit of the scallions. I think those shrimp are almost done. I'm going to taste one little noodle since this is my first one to see if it's got enough seasoning. Excuse me. A little bit more sauce. And then I always like to add a few more bean sprouts in the end just for a little extra crunch. That's it. All done. That was pretty quick. I'm going to transfer this to a plate. Now, this is my Pad Thai. Everyone's Pad Thai is different. This is not your weekend Pad Thai. This is not your sort of just like, what do I have around me? I gather these ingredients with great intention, and I really appreciate it when it's done. I hope you enjoyed watching me geek out over some really wonderful noodles. And I hope wherever you are, you're eating well and you're staying healthy, and this is making you a little happy. All right, thanks. Happy cooking.